We're going to climb the Munros. Oh really, we said, what are those? Well, they're mountains in Scotland or 3,000 feet. It'll be summer, good weather, we don't mind the heat. The target was 282. 'Twas a shame when the mist spoiled the view. Friends they made on the journey kept their spirits up. Eddie, Lachlan and Sally and Clooney the pup. Each summit they ticked off the list. The inn pin earned a pump of the fist. Ben Lomond came last with proud family and friends who wonder what's next as this challenge ends.